In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download HBO Max app on Android. Even though many people still call it HBO Max, the app is now simply named Max in most regions. I'll walk you through the safe, correct way to get it on your Android phone, and I'll share a few quick tips to avoid common issues. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. This is the official, trusted source for Android apps, and it's the only place you should use for this download. Using third party APK sites can expose your device to security risks, so stick with the Play Store to keep things simple and safe. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar, type Max or HBO Max. Both searches usually lead to the same app since Max is the new name. When results appear, look for the official listing published by Warner Bros. Discovery. That developer name is your key sign that you're getting the real app. The icon and screenshots will feature the Max branding, which helps you confirm you're in the right place before you proceed. Once you've found it, tap Install. The Play Store will handle everything in the background. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed and available storage. If it seems slow, just let it finish. Staying on Wi-Fi can help the download move along smoothly. When the installation completes, tap Open. The app will launch and prompt you to sign in or create an account. If you already have an active subscription, use your existing login. If you're new, choose the Create an Account option and follow the on-screen prompts inside the app. That's all you need to start exploring shows and movies once you're in. If you can't find the app in search, there are a few common reasons. In some countries, Max may not be available yet, so it simply won't appear. Your Play Store country settings can also affect what apps you see, especially if your device is set to a different region than where you currently live. Finally, some older or uncommon devices may not be compatible, which can hide the app from search results. If any of these apply, you'll need to wait until support is available for your region or device, and that's it. Open the Play Store, search Max or HBO Max, confirm it's by Warner Bros. Discovery, install, then open and sign in or create an account. Follow these steps and you'll have the Max app ready to stream on your Android in just a few minutes.